Good morning, children. Yes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So, we started integers. So, yesterday
Good morning, ma'am.
you understood the introduction of integers. Which numbers are there integers? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me integers. What do you mean by integers? Which numbers will be there in integers?
-1, -2. -1, -2.
Only minus or plus also will be there.
That also will be there, ma'am.
Then, so what is integer? It is a set of positive and negative, both. Negative numbers and positive numbers, both together, they are known as integers. Don't forget now. Okay, what are integers? The set of positive and negative numbers. Both together, they are known as integers. And it is denoted by which alphabet?
Z or I.
Yes, Z or I. It is denoted by Z or I. And then we saw opposite numbers, plus and minus, and then absolute value of integers. Okay, so today we'll see operations on integers. Now, how for natural numbers, whole numbers, we had addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Same for integers also. We have addition of integers, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So first we'll see addition of integers. Here you should be careful with the sign, which sign is there. Okay, so here some integers, it depends on sign. When you are adding, when you are subtracting, multiplying and dividing, here sign is important. Plus sign, minus sign. The number having which sign, that is important. Okay. So first we'll see addition of integers. Now in that first we'll see the addition of integers with same sign. Means the numbers, integers which are having plus sign, same sign, or with minus sign. Means for example, if plus 5 is added to plus 4. So here all are plus. So directly we can say 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so both are having same sign, both the numbers. This is plus 5 and this is plus 4. So both are having same number. That means plus will get in answer also, we will get plus only. Now if minus is there, in same example, minus 5 plus minus 4. Then what will happen? Then you tell me. Okay. Here, when one is both the numbers are minus. Here you have to see minus plus. Minus plus. So this is the first rule, that in addition of integers, the integers having same sign. The answer will be here, you have to add minus, you have to do plus, but sign will be minus. For answer, the greater number sign. Now here minus 5 is there. Okay, how will you solve this? See here, minus 5 plus minus and minus plus minus. These four things you have to remember. Plus. minus minus plus. Means when two minus are there, you have to add. This you have to remember. When two plus are there, you have to add only. But when two minus are there, that time also you have to add. But the answer will come in the negative sign, means the greater number sign. Plus, minus, minus. When one number is plus, second number is minus, you have to do subtraction. When one number is minus, other number is plus, you have to do subtraction. These four things you have to remember in integers. Okay, now in addition, here how to put the sign in the answer, in the sum. When you are adding, answer also should have some sign. When two plus are there, the answer will come in plus only. But when two minus are there, that time the greater number which sign is there, that will come here. For this also, the greater number which sign is there, that sign will be put in the answer. Okay? So this you understood, you have to keep in mind, you write and keep this. Okay? So here, when we are doing this, minus minus plus, so your answer will come 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And the greater number is having minus sign, so here minus will come. Understood this? How to do? Yes? Understood or not? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you are not answering. Sound is not coming. Okay, see here once again. Plus plus, you have to add. When minus minus is also there, you have to add only. But the sign will come greater number sign. Okay? Now I'll ask you to tell me the answer. Minus 3 plus minus 4. What will be the answer?
-7.
Yes, very good. Minus 7. Minus 10 plus minus 6.
-4.
4 are both are minus. Both are minus.
-16.
Minus 16. This only you should be careful with the sign in integers. That is important. Your sign is important. Okay. So we will see one by one. First we are seeing addition of integers with same sign. These are having same sign. So you should do carefully. Okay. I'll ask you again. Minus 12 plus minus 6.
-18. -18.
Minus 18. Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to, when minus minus 2, the number integers are having same sign, you should add. And the greater number sign will be there in the sum. Whatever answer you are getting, the greater number which sign is there, that you should add. Understood? Addition with same sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see addition of integers with opposite sign, different sign. Okay, before that, this same sign we can represent on a number line also. We'll see that first. So same number line. Now first example we took as plus 5 and plus 4. Now plus 5 plus 4. from 0 you should start till 5. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where it goes? It goes on 9. How to represent on number line? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
negative numbers we'll see. Both negative will be there. That time we'll see how to. We'll take one example. -3 plus -4. So we got answer as -7. We'll see in on number line it is correct or wrong. So we need all numbers are minus. So we'll write here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Now your first is -3. That means from 0 you should go to -3. Now again we have to jump to -4 plus -4. Who is Shlokpati? Okay. Here -3. From here we should go to -4. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means we are going to left side. So left side 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we reached? We reached on -7. So we got answer, same answer here. -7, -7. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this was so addition of integers with same sign. Now we will see opposite sign. Okay. So when the two numbers, the sum of two integers, they have opposite sign, that time here the absolute value with the sign of integer of greater absolute value is their difference. Here you have to subtract. Their difference will come. So plus minus you have to subtract, and minus plus also you have to subtract only. Okay, and in answer, here also in answer the greater number sign will come. In addition, the greater number sign will come. Now for example, if the question is -2 plus 3. -2 plus 3. So minus plus, what you have to do? Minus. So subtract, we get 1. You have to remember this.
-1.
So here minus plus, what you have to do? Minus. Minus plus you have to do minus. So that means 3 minus 2 is 1. But when we are putting the sign, your greater number sign should be there. So greater number is 3. 3 is having positive sign. So answer also will come in positive, means plus 1. This is the answer. Okay? Now if it is 3 plus 3 and -8. Plus 3 minus 8. So plus minus. Yes. So plus minus is there means 5 will come, and the greater number is having minus sign. So answer will come -5. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask you again some more questions. -7 plus 3.
Ma'am, -4.
Yes, very good. -4. Now my +12 -6. +12 -6.
-6.
-6 or +6? Think and tell.
Ma'am,
+6. Why? Because greater number is 12. 12 is having plus sign. So you have to do the solution using this. But the sign when you are putting for answer, that should be the greater number sign. You have to remember this. When you are solving, you have to use this plus, 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 minus, minus. You have to solve minus, plus, plus, minus, 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 plus, minus. But the sign which you are putting for the answer, that should be the greater number sign. Only this you have to remember. Got it? I'll ask you one more. -15 and +3.
Ma'am, -12.
Yes? -12.
12.
Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this same one example we will see on a number line. We will represent on a number line. Now here, from -7. From -7, this is -7.
To 0.
We have to go to +3. So which side? +3 is there. So addition more. This side it will go. So from 0 to -7 and from -7 to +3. So whenever plus sign is there means we should move to right side. Minus sign is there means left side. So 3. So 1, 2, 3. So where it reached? On -4. So your answer is -4.
-4.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So till here any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Addition of integers with same sign and with opposite sign. Both we saw. Understood? Both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll see subtraction. Subtraction of integers. This is addition. So second operation is here subtraction of integers. Now subtraction here. In subtraction, we have to change the sign of an integer which to be subtracted. And then we have to add the first integer. Means here, if it is a minus b is there. So this plus minus b will come. If this sign will go to this second term, the second number only. Okay. So for example, if it is given -4. So first, whenever bracket is given, you should remove the bracket. So it will come -4 plus you do opposite. Plus is plus. So 6. Now you have to solve how addition we solve same method. Only you removing the bracket. When you remove the bracket, you should see properly. Plus, minus, you have to follow the same rule. Plus, minus, 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 plus, minus. When both are plus, plus only will get. And when both are minus, also plus only will get. Okay. So here that by using this you have to change the sign. Now here both are plus, so plus sign came. Now after removing the bracket, the same method will come here. What will come answer? Minus 4 plus 6.
Minus 10. Minus 10.
Yes, 10.
Minus 10. Minus 10.
See carefully, it is minus 4 and plus 6.
Ma'am, plus 10. Plus 10. Plus 10.
Plus
10.
here minus 4 and plus 6.
2. 2.
2
Minus 2.
plus 2. See, remember this. Minus plus, you have to do minus. So here 1 minus 4 plus 6. 1 is minus. You have to do minus only, subtraction. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And greater number is 6. 6 is having plus sign. So you have to put plus sign. Don't get confused. Think and only remember this. That when opposite signs are there, you have to do subtraction. And when same signs are there, you have to do addition. Only remember this. And in the answer, you have to put the greater number sign. Okay? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so carefully you see. One more example I'll ask you. Minus 2 plus minus 4. So here bracket is given. So first you have to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket means plus minus. What plus minus?
Minus.
Minus. So plus minus minus. So here minus will come and this 4. Now you understood first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in subtraction of integer also you have to use same. Here addition and subtraction they are related. So when subtraction sum also is there. Now for example, this is subtraction sum. You have to do here subtraction. Minus 2 minus minus 4.
Ma'am.
So here two signs are there. Minus minus. So plus will come. Minus minus plus and then 4. And your answer will come 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 and here the greater number is sign is 2. Plus. So here plus will come. Okay, so both are related. Same method for addition and subtraction. Same method you have to use. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So remember only this. When you are solving, when you are adding or when you are subtracting integers, only this rule you have to remember. When 1 minus 1 plus, you have to do subtraction. 1 plus 1 minus, subtraction only. When same sign, plus. Don't get confused. Understand carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I'll ask you a question then. Now if like this is given. So in subtraction what you have to do, you have to see that the sign should be for the this number, how I wrote a minus b, same it will come here. 11 plus minus 7. So plus minus minus, or you can do directly. 11 minus 7.
And 3.
11 minus 7.
And 4.
4. Okay. So this is subtraction. Okay, simple subtraction. But in integers, how it will be? 11 plus minus 7. What answer will come?
Minus 4. Minus 4.
Minus 4 or plus 4?
Plus 4. Plus 4.
Plus 4. See, again you are getting confused. In integers, when one is having plus sign, one is having minus sign, you have to do subtraction. So 11 minus 7 is 4, and here 11 is greater. So greater number is having plus sign. So in answer also plus sign will come. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more I ask.
Yes, ma'am.
12 minus 7.
Ma'am, it will come plus 18. Plus 19.
Now minus what is there?
Plus.
Plus. So 12 plus 7.
12 plus 19.
19. So greater number is having plus sign. So answer will come plus sign. You have to remember this. This is important in integers. When you are solving, when you are simplifying the sums, you have to remember this. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll see now how we can represent subtraction on a number line. Okay, for example, 11, the same example we'll take. We got this answer, 11 plus minus 7. We will represent on a number line. Now, 0. Now here 11 is there. So first we go from 0 to 11. After that plus minus 7. So whenever minus is there, negative sign means on a number line arrow will go to left side. Whenever minus is there, left side. So minus 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where it reached? It reached on 4. So answer is 4. Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here in integers like this, we have to add and subtract the integers. Only the sign is important here. Okay. So what you have to remember, in addition, you have to remember that the sum of two integers with same sign is the sum of their absolute values, means the sum of the numbers, the absolute values, and with the same sign, means plus is equal to plus. The answer also will come with the same sign. But when the sum of two integers with unlike sign, with the different sign, if they are having one plus, one minus, then the answer will be the difference of their absolute values with the sign which the greater number is having. Okay? Now, in subtraction, what we saw that the sign of an integer will change, which is to be subtracted and then added. Means here the sign will change when you are removing the bracket. The sign will change in subtraction, and after that the same method you have to follow which we followed in addition. Okay? So this is addition and subtraction of integers. Yes? Did you have any doubt? Yes, children, did you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll ask you. You tell me the answer. Yes? First I'll ask you. Okay. 120 plus minus 10.
Minus 110.
So what do you do? 120 plus minus 10. 120 minus 10 is
110.
110, and greater number is having plus sign. So your answer will come in plus sign.
Plus.
Okay. Now minus 88 and minus 44. See carefully. Minus 88 minus 44. So both are minus. So what you have to do here? When both are minus? Plus. Means 88 plus 44 is
130. 130. 132. 130.
and which sign will come?
Minus.
Minus. Okay. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more sum. 200 plus minus 75.
Ma'am, we should do minus.
Yes, we should do
Minus.
So
200
200 minus 75 is
minus 120.
125. But which sign will come? Plus or minus?
125.
Plus, because greater number is having plus sign. 200 is greater number which is having plus sign.
Plus.
Okay? Now you understood properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.